Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darricka, and today's video is a quick kitchen clean with me. I have a habit of taking the dishes out the sink, rinsing them off, and then filling the sink up with hot soapy water. Now you know you gotta let that pot soak, so I'm gonna take it to the sink, rinse it with some hot soapy water, and let it sit while I wash the rest of the dishes. I do not like spaghetti sauce floating around in my clean dishwater. I see a lot of YouTubers use the Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose cleaner. I think I want to try it. Let me know, comment below, what is your favorite Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray? I've seen so many people use it and I just have to try it for myself. So don't forget to comment below. Let me know which one is your favorite so that I can try it out. showed my pantry in an earlier clip, but I forgot to record me organizing it. If you want to see how I organize my pantry, let me know in the comments below. My kids always mess it back up when they go digging for snacks, so let me know below if that's something you would like to see. Well, we have reached the end of this video. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, join the family, girl. I have DIY projects and Christmas decorated with me coming soon. I love you so much. Bye.